What days have passed since last I trod herein, and heard the sound of silence between these walls. What store of moments since has entered in to memory's deep banks, whose chasm calls throughout all time within the soul that holds for A and A the marks traced in the mind that must live on and on, for that the folds of thought leave not the soul of humankind. It was upon a day, upon an hour, that many hours slipped by, and many more came in from galaxies whose unknown power oped regions dark and light. For by the door of this small, massive house, the pressing weight of ears withheld was held by poised fate. We do refuse at times a precious thing, with eyes askance and looking far away at what may never come. And blessings cling not long unto the heart that will not stay and wait their gentle coming. We are one when we are all in wanting, but want oft too many wanted things beneath the sun, and fail to look ahead or gaze aloft. To think this beauty was within my grasp, and waited but a nod of heart and will, that this small hand ne'er again shall clasp the cowl that wraps the soul in whiteness still. This is a pain that hurts where it can hurt, for 'twas lost in an hour, scarce all alert. There are some hours with power to halt the all of flowing age, and pages have a spell, or moments dead, forgot, for days can call e'en from the long set sun, and from this knell of heavy sleeping yesterday a yawn of one last lingering breath bids all return from youth's first wildest beam at freshest dawn, where dreams were strong and we had naught to learn. O folly of a day that days did blast and toss to loss retrievable here ne'er! Why did I look not once more at the last, at this good face that could have kept me ere? Kind Columkill, kind Lawrence, this your smile could yet have kept me safe a little while.